So if you are a host on a booking and you would like to fix no inventory in your extranet, in your booking extranet, so what you need to do is log into admin.booking.com. So use your login password to log into extranet, then navigate here to rates and availability, click on it and select calendar. So click on calendar, you will see like this, yeah. And here we need to select dates. So for example, I would like to select from April, end of April till next. Okay, so for example, from 27 April till end of May, and it will load automatically. So here we can see that room status bookable, and here no inventory. So we can simply click on it, and here we can add rooms to sell, number of rooms, and click on save. Here should be open, and this will automatically become green and bookable. So what to do if you'd like to add in bulk? So here we can see rooms to sell. Click on bulk edit, and in this option you need to select from what date. From example, from April 3, oh I mean May 3, and till what date. For example, from to May 12. Number of rooms. Here you can also add prices if you want, and click on save changes. And here we can see it's automatically become green. So okay guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. If any questions, please subscribe and comment under this video, and I will help you with booking extranet